Hello, viewers. Welcome back to my channel where we explore the magical world of literature. The topic for today is very close to our region, our history, and our literature post colonial literary criticism. What is post colonialism? Why is it important, and how does it change the way we read literature? So let us begin. Post colonialism refers to the study of literature produced in countries that were once colonies of European powers, like India, Pakistan, Nigeria, and many more. It examines the effect of colonization on culture, identity, language, and power. Colonialism was not just about land occupation, it was about controlling minds, languages, and narratives. The colonizers imposed their cultures as superior and labeled the natives as inferior. And that is where post colonial criticism comes in. It gives voice to the oppressed. So, what type of the question do critics ask? Post colonial critics ask questions like: how does literature reflect the legacy of colonialism? How are the colonized people represented? Who gets to tell the story? The colonizer or the colonized? One of the most famous post colonial writers is Edward Said. His groundbreaking book, Orientalism, published in 1978, changed the way we see Western literature. According to Edward Said, the West, especially Europe, created a false image of the East, portraying it as exotic, backward, and uncivilized. This was done in novels, art, and even history books. Example, if we talk about characters like the weak Indian prince, the mysterious Arab, or the savage African were all creations of Western imagination. Through such portrayals, the colonizers justified their rule. But post-colonial writers fought back. Writers like Chinua Achebe from Nigeria wrote Things Fall Apart, showing the real story of African society before the British came. Similarly, writers like Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, and Bapsi Sidhwa portrayed how colonialism changed identities, languages, and cultures. Post-colonial literature deals with themes like identity crisis, hybridity means being caught between two cultures, language struggle, racism and power, resistance and rebellion. Let me give you a simple example. Have you ever wondered why so many writers from Pakistan, India, or Africa write novels in English? It is because English was imposed as the language of power. Post colonial writers use the same language to change colonial ideas. This is what we call writing back to the empire. So, dear viewers, next time you read a novel from a colonized country, look deeper. Ask yourself, what is the untold story? Who is speaking and who is silent? Because post colonialism is not just a theory, it is a way of seeing the world from the eyes of those who were silenced for centuries. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more literary journeys. Until next time, stay curious, stay critical.